Hi, today I have a very interesting old ring cylinder for you guys. It's this with Låsbolaget Eskilstuna with all. It's a vintage one with 5 pins and pretty cool logo. And here's the key. Let me show you the keys, and same all. And on the other side is Låsbolaget Eskilstuna. It's a city in Sweden. I think nowadays they're owned by Assa, as far as I know. And on the key you can see A86987. I don't know if that's the bidding, probably, maybe, I'm not sure. But this is the lock is catching a bit, but it's so old, so I'm perfectly fine with this one. And I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to disassemble this one. It's a very strange how they did this, and I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to disassemble this one. And because they're all, I think they're all standard pins, I will try to put it in a vise and pick it, for me, upside down. For a lot of you guys this is a normal and preferred way of picking the lock. For me this is an upside down, you already know that. So I'll try my best to pick it this way, and to train myself to be a better picker in this way. And it's going to be a bit challenge for me, but let's try it. So yeah, 1, nothing, 2, small click from 2, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, couple of clicks. And because these are old ones, sometimes the pins can feel that they are like serrated, or they can feel like micro serrations. And I had a similar, I have picked similar lock, I think it was a fab or something like that, with the pins with like wear after a long time, and with like some kind of a micro serrations on them. So it was very tricky. I needed to pick them multiple times. Like check the video, I will put it link, and you can check that one. And probably it's happening the same thing for this one. Even my, like this was a 4 big click, and 5 it's like crunchiness. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like multiple clicks. Hopefully I will be able, 1 again, to pick this way. I don't want to rotate, click from 5, and we are open. As I mentioned, a bit challenging for me picking it this way, but it's a really nice lock, and I'm glad that I have it in my collection. It's very rare lock. At least I was able to find like 1, maybe 2 of them here in Sweden. But yeah, this was let me put it like this, was the oval lock Låsbolaget Eskilstuna, picked. Unfortunately I'm not going to be able to get it. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.